Marago bengi ya mwanchu muligereria abwe getaseni kia Ndizi TV na endene chinga kichingi yangu kuarigania asemesa ya mangana maya Chinsa Ikomi ritukoneria Jumapili chitarikire 25 mutinyino Ikomi na limo omwaka wechiri 2022 chinga kibono na kuariganiria talimake asenchera yobwenge asabali mugutobwatia gwetera asenchera ye mitandao tonyore Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ende na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News osoto wate wetera se website ya www.ndizitv.or.ke ngwera nanda segekega kekerebosyo egeren kumanyenga nararia na kwariganirie ase chinga kiechiga Ncheni wankoro kwa Sara Nyarange Ontita nole tukubwatira na komo goika asense moje bimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tigango toya chake korwa ase county ya Kisii ase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba ase ward ya Gesusu ase Kenyorokia ya Isoe abo asense mo yabamenyi beso kire na kwemurungania igoro yo kuburwa wechunguru chestima ase gekage chiwiki isatobono abo ase kolengana na barabo ba mochirie company yomorero ya Kenya Power aso gusinyowe ikase chinsemecho na korusia emete yestima ya nyarko bage kugwa asege kage chiwiki isatobono nyora litkolia ankyo baroki wango chakabara matemwa manene abo asaba ibuli abo bari no bwoba naki abaroki go bago chagwe ikase asukuru chinga kibono bale ase egesunte
itonya kwaiga abana ne bakonde egesunte nona abantu maete bakona kubagosanjira bono tuchuwakerio kinaki ngaigo Kenya Power ya chete kango bono ya tokonyire erinde tona na ke bana baito bagokore kwe matemu aikire igoro twakorete bo banga abana birobo erinde bagende chumatata matemu bono bagotokonya kugosunjira iga erinde togosi na ende bagende bakore kwe ne batwaru gwaba erinde Kenyoro byeito gechigotigara magega ingo tokona ki omwesimi gwatokonya
Chinga ki abaroki waba gochaka matemwabo abwankyo chitarike 25 mutinyoyo nigobono mo director weskuru ya Tabaka Academy Tamaro Mogendi Abuya abaganiria maya abaroki wabonsi chinga kibago chaka matemwayo Tamaro oyobo igoro munyakerogo bwekyombegia Kenya Private of Schools Association KEPSA nigaboliri abaroki wagotwara boremu na goikaransera matemwabo ayobanya ariko babakwe asege kabono asoboiga boriri abaibori tibaba isako aboroki wabo emereme menge chingaki bagwenereta kweroberia na goikaransera amatemwayo roboti uruno chikoranyora senchira yo boikiranuge koraga ensa ya mone Chinsa isato chobutuko bolero kolende eyanere nkwana yo mo director Tamaro
ira chingaki echiga kobatakikera Amayia ekero bagokora amatemwaya nainde kote bamuna nkorengereri 20p abaigori n'abalimu abana bayitonto banchete nainde tutagitimuita matemo yiga mugwansa mambi lakini nataka ko baseme ibintu bibiri bitatu igentege tangani egara mugo chikokora matemo aya kimuranche genda noboremu ikiabasongo bakoroga confidence nainde kaba focused beke kerengo asa matemo amogokora mwanya pangira se miaka mingi abange beno mwanya pangira miaka 5 nomo abande miaka 5 na form 4 miaka 4 asi secondary school igama temamo chikokorera matuka 3 as grade 6 na grade 8 ayitokorwa class 8 mo bana bwoba bonde bwensi amatemu nari ali mogokora
Omorai wense Dr. William Ruto nigasangire na bakristo ase kanse moimense moya Karen imeye county ya Nairobi asaba kirengambia mono abaraibechi kanisa asoko gendera gusabira ense ya Kenya mono chinge kenyora amasababu na koretemere mo chinga kicho bochoryo bonene bu mwakoyo obwa koreka omutienyo 5 na 3 ase Dr. Ruto atebirense ya Kenya bono yakorera mangana siasa ne chinga kicho kurwa bokorari gochia saba Kenya asatebire bono iga abarai bonsi kurwa se mirengo ya siasa nigo bagwenerete kubwaterana na koleta monchererio na magenderero ase chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya.
Last election was a difficult moment for all of us, but when I saw bishops in Bomas praying for every moment and every step of the way, holding vigil across the night so that Kenya can have a peaceful election, I have nothing but admiration for the church and for the men of God who came through so that we can have a peaceful election in Kenya. Thank you very much. About issues, is about programs, is about an agenda, and we have walked away from the politics of ethnicity and hate and division. I am truly proud that Kenya is making strides in the right direction.
Chingakie chio mokonyo ye Rigathi Gachagua nerenigo akwanire igoro y'umurai wense Dr. William Ruto uneruete gwikiranio bokorari asa bamenyi bense ya Kenya asa matuka bwango iga Dr. Ruto obeire gagosoka korwa sense ya Kenya ochakobwatana ne chinse chinde bunenchire yameyokoreto bonchureria amonobo no kubwaterana gati chinse echo erigo kinia uchumi yense ya Kenya. Rigathi nigo boigo amochiriense moya barai bali bakoma mochia Dr. Ruto aso kubwaterana ne chinse cheisiko aso koreto bokorari ubiya asaba Kenya asa mochiri nkwana y'umurai w'ikyama kya ODM Raila Odinga buna William Ruto nigare project gose nigagendete kubwaterana ne chinse cheisiko natali gokorera ba Kenya emiremo aso kubaikiraneria amagenderero ali abalierete eira chinga kyalenge kuriya chikura.
You met the President of South Africa and made very serious progress in matters immigration. You have just come from South Korea, where you have successfully mobilized millions of dollars to assist this great country. These people, where you are away, crafted a narrative that now that you are succeeding and the world has accepted you and accepted your leadership and they are responding to your various engagements, that William Ruto is a puppet of the West. We have told them, President William Ruto has exclusive mandate from the people of Kenya to engage the West, the East, the North, the South, and anybody who means well for this great country. So we want to ask the people of Kenya to ignore such. Your Excellency, when you are away, before you left, you instructed our Cabinet Secretary for Interior and your security chiefs to do whatever it takes to restore security across the country. And our hard-working CS and the security chiefs came up with a good strategy on how to create convergence between officers of the National Government Administration and the police to achieve total security.
Chege Njoroge nerumo bwiwe tigiti ya UDA asensema ya Kandara. Njuguna nigo anyorete chikura chiribu isano na isato, gose chiribu isano na ibere, chimia isano na isato na merongo ebere na isano nemo. Na kubabua abaruanere ribande bari korigia etigiti eyo ya UDA asobochori bokageire gochago koreka bwangoiga. Okwana nabaliki bamangana niga iranerete ngambiya mono aso konyara obobuyo obwo na gocha koirurukia ebandera ye kiama kia UDA asebunge ya Kandara.
Chege ambaye alikuwa mshindi wa uchaguzi alipata kura 7,826 akifuatiwa kwa karibu na Nguchu Titus Njau ambaye alipata kura 5,335 na watatu alikuwa Mwaura Steven Nguru engineer ambaye alipata kura 4,414.
Yenyewe ilikuwa ya haki na uhuru kusema kweli, isipokuwa ni ile matatizo tu kidogo tulipata asubuhi ile ya kuchelewesha ballot boxes, lakini zilifika tukaandaa. Uchaguzi ulikuwa wa kuaminika na watu wa Kandara mali wako watafurahia kujua ati leo, siku ya leo, wamechagua Jamba ya Wera, na Jamba ya Wera ni Chege Njuguna Kandara. Nichukue nafasi hii niambie naibu wa rais Mheshimiwa Rigathi kwamba Chege wa Njuguna amechukua tiketi ya UDA, na niwakaribishe wanasiasa wote wa UDA hapa Kandara wakuje tuongee na Wanjiko wa Kandara, tumwambie na tuwamuelezee maneno yenye tutafanyia huyu Wanjiko wetu wa Kandara, ndio Kandara nayo tuendelee mbele. Wito wangu kwa wapinzani wangu ni kwamba siasa sio chuki. Ile wakati tulikuwa tumekutana na wao, tuliagana kwamba mwenye atachukua hii kiti ataita wengine ndio tukae chini tuongee maneno na tuongee siasa yenye itapeleka
Chingaki totigarete asobochorio boke Gusii nominations ase county ya Elgeyo Marakwet William Kisang nero mobwiwe tigiti asense ocha koriya ekirogo kyobo senator asobochorio boke bokageire gokoreka matuko make ari bosio okwana boigona barikia mangana nigatebire ekiama kya UDA osobochorio boboke nigo bwakoregeta senchira yobwegenu no bwasioku asare no kwegena na cheko bwe na koira ekirogo kyobo senator ase county eyo inyora ekirogo ekyo kyobo senator nigo giatigwa magega yomuraibwense komochora Kipchumba Murkomen gochaka iri wechipara chinga kikelia gya Kandara ya tigetwigo maega ya Alice Wahome oyolengo mobunge gochorwa gochakabomo waziri wa mache asali ya Kenya Kwanza.
All loyal party members of UDA, and we were very many actually. 21 of us showed interest to serve the county of Elgeyo Marakwet County as the senator. It means everybody was very keen to be a servant.
Omabunge Onandi Hills Bernard Kitur nigobone sokire na aba commissioner abane korwa sekyombe bochori ne chimbebe IEBC bakoragwa no mokonyi bo munyakirogo Juliana Cherera nigoba gwenerete kogenda nka kubwatekana na mamocho abo bwateranetie chinga kichyokorarigwa wechikura asobochori bwaita Kitur nigatebira bakenya na bange barororo au tekoira mabaga yabanabo asengencho baikirania mamacho au asatebire barabobune bunge nigo bagocha kwenekia banabo nkogenda balenka.
What kind of behavior the 4 commissioners displayed during the announcements of the results? It is all in the clear, and I can tell you for a fact when it comes to the floor of the House, those 4 commissioners, we have other better Kenyans with greater integrity who can be able to serve in that seat. We have 50 million Kenyans, and several of them are qualified to be the commissioners of IEBC. So they should be prepared. When that will come to the floor of the House, I can tell you for a fact that they will not be retained in IEBC. Of course, it will follow the due process, so we are waiting. It was in the Parliamentary Service Commission. Those who are vetting and listening to their views, of course, they refused to appear, and there was a walkout by the opposition, but let them prepare for it. The 4 commissioners, we have better Kenyans.
Chinga kiecho omokonyi bomo governor bwe county ya Kakamega Ayub Savula nigaborira babunge gutika gukorere cheche engana ya ba commissioner bane kurase kyombe kya IEBC na koira engane yo bunetari eye cheche no nyangake nigo Savula atebire buna eyo neche koleta chisegi asense ya Kenya onyete gocha gusonsoro boikeranu kobwatia lichiko asamuboliro muraibwense Dr. William Ruto weso yagati nagogayana enganeye etaracha koleta liberera litindi.
Nataka kuleta vita Kenya. Cheza na kitu inaitwa IEBC. Uchaguzi uliisha. Supreme Court ikasema William Samoei Ruto ndio president of the Republic of Kenya. Naambia Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, please ita watu wako wa Kenya Kwanza. Wewe Raila, ita wajumbe wako wa Azimio. Weka hawa wajumbe pamoja wasiletee shida Kenya. Sasa ile mnaanza kusuma hawa Chebukati anaretire anaenda nyumbani. Sio hivyo? Process ya kurecruit Chebukati ifanywe kwa njia ya amani. Hao commissioners wengine walicomplain ndio uchaguzi uliisha. Is behind us. You two leaders, William Samuel Ruto and Raila, put the IEBC commission together for the confidence ya wananchi. Bure vita itatokea inji.
Ne serikali yenso ya Sweden nigo ya ruroboko nyiwe shilingi milioni 25 Ocha sense ya Kenya anene ase county chiri chibwate abatugi abo ase kolengana no ambassador bwense ya Sweden gochaga iga Kenya Caroline Visini atebire ngwetera okobwatera na gwa serikali yense ya Kenya na Sweden yarorire mbuya korwa bokonyo bwo gochia ase abatugi anene ase county ya Isiolo Garissa Wajir Amonich county chinde abo asatebire bagucha kogendera korwa obokonyo bwo Gania abakonyo bwo n'abateneneri korwa sensemo ye county ya Isiolo abo batebire mbachi kwena n'abakonyo bwo gochiase chi county chinde isano na ibire unenchere moyo kuba moyo abatugi abo anene bakire no muchando bumurakera.
Support the 25 million SEK will cut across 7 counties. You can see the way the communities have apportioned like 24% into water. It just tells you that the communities are making water a priority. It's priority for water, whether it's power, piping, or just dams, or boreholes, or raw catchment, or water management and water mapping. Plus, they have put a lot of money also on the livelihoods, on businesses for women and youth.
And I was been up in Marsabit and Isiolo and at people's homesteads, and I've been able to see it for myself how the women have been able to tend to the acacias to get an outcome from.
Mwanchu muligereria na rayo asebono kulenda mange asenchira yoboikiranu nekere kuraga ensa eye moyo botuko bwarero na boigo Chinsa isato chingaki oyo minto Evelina Osero agenda to kwariganeria yo asenchira yoboikiranu ne chingaki abariki baito barase chinsemo ao kwene kyabona bayasangireire uchikora nyora asenchira yoboikiranu gekuraga Chinse chyo chikobwatia ngwakangambia mono asebali mwensi mwato bwatire wetera senchira ye mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na bali mogenderete gutuma ebirengereri byaino wetera ase mitandao nigo twakangambia mono ende mobaisa gusuka korwa Ndizi TV kiagera na station ya onambe Chinsa 24 ekoletere merubiri mekeranu asumunwa bweke Gusii oleto baterana komo asensemo ye bimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na ende boigo mwanchu muligererio nyore chikoraga Ikomi na mochabono mogoroba no chukumirana na mokokoti Joseph asomorobelio bwemisa Jumapili akomanya mange asenchira yobwekera nutobisa gusuka ekiagera aiga na onka aiga na onyumba oliana kyachibichana maliogi agwikira senchira yobwekera nukegima nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama na inche tigatororane na indeli tukolia ankyo asomorobelio bwensa kya Jumatatu astura kwanira mange igoro ya siasa na magenderero asorgongorwa Gusii nense ya Kenya engima chinga kitochi kubwaterana noyo minto Brighton Makoli inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.